So, if you think RVs are expensive, you're right. But to really find out how expensive they are, you need to come to this part of the show, in this expo hall that they have. We're right now by the Prevost display. Prevost, in case you don't know it, makes one of the highest end RVs anyway. These are deluxe RVs on bus chassis and with incredibly graphic colors. Look at that. Is that stunning? I mean, that is absolutely beautiful. These things, usually when they do a show like this, they make you take your shoes off before you can go inside. Here's one in blues, colors of blues. Are those beautiful colors? So these are, Prio started as a bus company, and these are all $1 million plus. They really are big. This is one of their models here. This is a Volvo engine in it, Volvo truck engine. And Jennifer's going to take Wendy Boyer, who's our social media buzz person, on a tour of one of these. So this is Prevost, and it's really nice. But then the really high-end one is from Marathon Coach. You see them here? And I'm just going to pop you up and show you. So you guys going to go in and look at that?
Yes. $2.8 million. You have to take your shoes off.
I'm not taking my shoes. You guys go see it. I'll go watch you in there. I'll stand up there.
I told Wendy that we have to show you.
I'm so excited.
One of the most expensive coaches.
Anyway, 2.8 million. So there they go inside, and we can watch them do their tour.
So a Marathon Coach. Ooh.
Oh my goodness. This looks like some sort of like Miami apartment or something. Look at how beautiful this is.
Look at that shiny floor.
Wow.
That chair looks pretty comfy.
Yes. It says we're not allowed to sit in it though.
Oh, well, and look at how the sofa, they're discouraging people sitting there.
Yeah, it says no sitting in the furniture, but look at the fireplace. This is kind of interesting.
Ooh,
right
okay,
behind
turn around.
the driver's seat there.
Yeah, and the accent pieces are perfect, but I would expect them to be nothing other than perfect.
Look at how their table is, how the shape of it. So it's just no hard corners and just it flows so nicely in that space.
And that it does flow nicely.
Yeah.
That chair, I think it's got my name on it. I like that chair.
Should we keep going?
We should keep going. And look at how trendy we are. Oh, they've made this so you can't open it up. They don't want you opening that.
Yeah, well, somebody's going to buy it for $2.8 million.
Yeah, they don't want it worn out.
Yeah. But I love the...
Thank you for not opening cabinets and appliances in respect to the future owner. Oh, yeah. All right.
And look at that, they have the toilet. Very clean.
You don't understand that respect for the owner, because we bought a Class C from the Hershey show. And I was watching everybody go through it, tugging on doors. They broke the door. I mean, you just watch everybody like, this is mine! Stop it!
They have 2 toilets. Look at this. They
2
have
bathrooms.
This is another toilet and a shower.
Perfect. Well, chances are it's 2 people.
Yeah.
And if you can afford 2.8 million, you want a bath and a half.
Oh, look at the bed. It's even curved around the edges. What a nice detail.
Yeah, you don't want to run into an edge. It drives me crazy because I'm used to opening all the cabinets.
Looks like they have a sunroof, maybe. Doesn't that look possibly like on the roof, like a sunroof?
I don't know what that is. I really don't know. Maybe it's just a different way to do lighting.
They have a washer and dryer and a laundry room.
There should be.
Yeah.
Looks like a nice wardrobe in here. Ah. Oh yeah. This is what you really want. You want 2 separate units. Because they tell me that the dryers don't work all that well, although I would like to have the experience of testing it for myself. because I would like a combo washer and dryer in our Montana. Lots of storage.
I like how there's windows
Whoa!
on both sides of the
How
house.
big is that TV?
It's pretty big.
I don't know how big it is, but that reminds me of the drive-in movies when I was a child. We used to go to the drive-in movie. And I bet that's a fireplace underneath it.
I was thinking it's a window because it says exit.
Okay. Yeah, that little
So you
red.
have like nice light on both sides,
Yeah, I
Which
bet
is-
you're right.
which is nice.
Okay. Ooh, I like the artwork.
Yeah. And look at how the details with the lighting under the. So if it's dark out, you can see.
So,
Subtle
this
lighting.
is your 2.8 million. Now you can say you've been to an RV show. All right, enough. Here we go. Got to go get our shoes back on.